Hey friends, I'm here in Panama on retreat, having a fantastic time, but I wanted to take a few minutes to share with you my tip of the month on how to help improve your home practice. This month I suggest incorporating some knee circles. Now these knee circles are going to be in the supine position, so it'll be on your back, and I'm going to ask you to not use your hands, keep your hands on the floor actually, and then make a circular motion with your legs. Now the bigger circle you make, the more core engages, especially if your knees begin to straighten and move away from your torso. You'll see that in a second. The more your knees straighten and move away from your torso, the more you'll want to engage your abdomen though and resist your low back to the floor. I like to do a minute in each direction. Now, if you're making those circles and you're tightening your abdomen but it hurts your lower back, just make the circle smaller. So incorporate these, let me know what you think, and I hope to see you soon.